Hi Sunflowers, let's go ahead and dive right into this video. I've already off screen primed my face with the Master Prime by Maybelline. I've done my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade Ebony, and I've already applied my mascara. It is better than sex. Okay, so I'm going in with my concealer. I'm going to be using 3 shades today. This is shade number 2 that you see me applying, and I'm going to go ahead and use shade number 3. It is Almost White. Focus it mainly close to the eye, down the bridge of your nose, the tip of your nose, and the middle of your forehead. So I'm now going to go in with my foundation. It is Bare Minerals in shade number 26. It is called Chai. I recommend Bare Minerals. It is so great. It works so well with my skin. I'm going to use my sponge and really focus on the foundation first. I'm not going to really worry about that concealer just yet. I'm now going to go ahead and blend that concealer out, focusing it mainly closer to the nose and to the eye. I'm not bringing it all the way out to my ear or all the way down to my lips. And we're going to blend out the nose as well as the forehead. And you will see that I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up and make sure everything is blended out. Boom, she's perfect. I'm now going to go in with my Boss Mood palette, and we're going to be using one shade today. It is a casual look. Boom, there she is. And I'm going to use windshield wiper motions on the lid. So I'm going in with a thin tip brush. You could use an angle brush if you like, but I'm just underlining underneath my eye just to bring my eye out. And with my blending brush, I'm just going to blend everything out and make sure everything is super seamless. I'm going to use my translucent powder by Maybelline, nothing too expensive. And I'm going to do the exact same thing I did with my contour and just working it with the nose and underneath the eye. We really want to brighten things up there. I'm then going to use the body of the sponge, dip it into the powder, and dab it all over my face. Yes, dab on them, the forehead, and then you're going to see that I'm going to work my way to the nose, and I'm really going to focus it really down the bridge because we really want to highlight that area. I am now going to go in with that powder brush and just brush away any loose powder that is on my face. Yes, so now I'm going in with my other Morphe palette. This is a 3502 palette. Go ahead and use the 2 shades that I'm pointing out to you. Now you're going to use a nice angled brush to really contour those cheeks. You're just blending the 2 colors together and just putting it right in your cheeks. Nothing too hard. Forehead, you want to really focus on the sides, not mainly the middle. Off screen, I'm going to use my translucent powder and I'm going to put it in the areas that I'm dabbing out to you guys right now. Take that powder brush and brush away any loose ends and make the contour really seamless. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. I'm going to use the highlighter by Becca Cosmetics. It's Champagne Dream, but you can use whatever you like. And I'm going to focus it down the bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to focus it on the tip of my nose. I want my nose to look like a button. Going back in with the Boss Mood palette, use the same shade that we use for our eyes, and just start from the top of your nose and work your way down. You're then going to circle off the tip of your nose to really give it that button shape. Look at that, you already see it coming out. Yes. So I'm just cleaning up my nose highlight and just applying some more highlighter because we want to be blinding. Go ahead and put highlighter in the inner corner of your eye and brighten up your eyes in the middle of your face. Smile a big smile for me and go ahead and put that highlight right on the apple of your cheeks. We're done and I'm loving it. Next I'm going to go ahead and use my mascara by NARS Climax, and I'm a goof so my tongue is out. I love it. We're complete, guys.
goes all night. How can we see the light if we're both blind? And you want my love.
Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching me do my first makeup video of the year. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, as I have come a long way with the makeup. Yeah, so if you guys liked it, thumbs up, comment, and tell your friends, because I need views and I really want to get back into the swing of things. I also did make another video. It was like kind of like a chill video, but I never got to upload it, so maybe that's coming soon, maybe not, who knows. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!